So I'm Juan Carlos, sanitation manager over here in Cafe Valley plant. Been working here almost 4 years. Or we used to have a person there saying, telling everybody, you need to wash your hands, you need to wash your hands. I mean, like, it's impossible that a bakery like this one, that we need to have a person like that. I need to get something automized. I need to get something that block everybody, including myself, if I want to go without washing my hands to the production floor. And I saw something interesting in the Meritech equipment, and it's working well so far. So it's been almost 2 years that we have the hand washing. Actually, before that I built this system with Meritech, FDA was concerned about how that works and how we'll be working with the amount of people that we have here. We improved like a 360 degrees, 120% my hand washing systems. No, it's like it's a good system. It's gonna change the minds of people too. They don't even remember they wash 10,000 times their hands. So it's like part of the program, part of their daily basis routine, and yeah, people like hate changing sometimes, but it's like if we change for improvement, there you go. I totally recommend that, and actually I have more ideas to work with Meritech.